In this video, I'm going to show you how Quora still remains one of the best traffic sources for CPA marketing. I see a lot of people getting massive results using Quora, and I've personally used this myself, and I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So I'm going to show you this example right here. You can see this is a question right here. And if you look at the answer of this question, you can see this answer contains a link. And you can see right here, this answer has also gotten over 4,800 views. So now if only 5% of this traffic decide to go to our landing page, and this is the bare minimum. All right, so if I multiply this by 5, you can see this is 440. So if your content locker converts on average of $2, all right, so if I multiply that, you can see you are going to be making about $500 for just one answer. So I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. So before I do that, I'm going to show you another example right here. You can see this is also another question. So if I scroll down here, you can see even though this answer is at the bottom, it has gotten almost 4,000 views as well, even though this answer is at the bottom of this question. So that is to tell you it doesn't matter where your answer is located. As long as you include an image, it's going to captivate people's attention to read that answer. And now, as you can see right here, this answer is also promoting a link. All right, so for those who might be wondering, how would you make $500? So if I take you to my Cpagrip account, you want to make sure to come over to where it says URL file locker. And now you want to come over to where it says show offer manager. So if you click on this, you're going to see how much you are going to be making for every offer people complete on your content locker. And you want to come over to where it says template, and you want to scroll down and you want to go for this capture template. So once you click on this template, you want to go back to the general section and you want to change this text right here to complete this capture below to enter. All right, so you want to come over to this section right here and you want to change this to complete any two offers below to prove you are human. So once you do this, then you want to go to the advanced section and you want to change this to 2. Okay, so once you do this, you've created your locker, and all you need to do is to save this content locker. Most of these offers are giveaway offers already. So once people sign up for this offer, then they definitely stand a chance to win in those offers as well. So once you do that, then you want to go over to breezy.io. As you can see, you can create landing pages for absolutely free. So all you need to do is to click on the get started now for free. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you want to click on create new project. You want to select website and landing page. And once you do that, you want to click on edit project. So once you come over here, you want to select any template of your choice. So I'm going to take this template as an example. All right, so the next thing you want to do here is to go over to Google and you want to type in giveaway. So once you do this, you want to make sure to scroll to where it says tools and you want to change the user right to Creative Commons. Okay, so once you do this, you are going to have access to images that you can use for free. All right, so now once you've downloaded any image that looks good, all you need to do is to change this image. So once you change the image, then you want to come over here and change this text to enter to win our giveaway. And you want to let people know they need to follow all instructions correctly if they want to win this giveaway. And you can add a little scarcity right here, only 5 items left. So you want to click on this, and this is where you are going to be pasting your content locker link from Cpagrip, OG Ads, or whatever CPA network you're working with. Okay, so once you're done, all you need to do is to click on publish page, and now you want to come over to this section here and you want to click on go to dashboard. And once you come over here, you're going to see your landing page link, and you want to click on this and you want to give your landing page a name. So I'm going to take this as an example, gift for all. Okay, since we are using the giveaway niche, so you want to click on submit. All right, as you can see, this is available and this is going to be your landing page link. So if I click on this button, as you can see right here, it brought us to this landing page. Very simple, straight to the point. And now the next step is to go over to ChatGPT. You want to type in a very simple question like this: give me 100 brain teaser questions and answer. So once you do this, as you can see, ChatGPT is going to provide you a lot of questions and the answer. All you need to do is to take this question right here, go over to Quora. So once you come over to Quora, you want to paste the question in the search bar to see if someone has already asked this question. As you can see, someone has asked this question right here. And as you can see right here, last followed 10 minutes ago. So these questions are getting a lot of views. People are engaging with these riddles questions on Quora. So that's why I told you a lot of people are getting a lot of traffic using this niche. So if I click on this question, so once you come over to this question, if we scroll down right here, you can see none of these answers are taking advantage of using images in their answer. So this is where we are going to be making money. So all you need to do is to come over to this website, freepik.com. So once you come over to this website, you want to make sure to check the answer of this question. As you can see, the answer is letter M. So once you come over to this website allows you to use any of their images for free, although there are some that are paid, but most of them are free to use. So you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in letter M. So you want to click on search. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of letter M that you can use. So just like I said, some of them are paid. As you can see, anyone that has this crown right here is paid, but this one right here you can use for free. So we are going to take this one. All right, as you can see right here, for commercial and personal project. Okay, so you can use this image for free. Okay, so all you need to do is to give an attribution, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So all you need to do from here is to click on download to download this image. So once you click on this free download, it's going to download to your device right away. So now the final step is to go over to canva.com and you want to scroll to where it says create design. So once you come over here, you want to make sure to click on custom size and you want to type in 1000 by 1000 pixels. So once you do this, you want to click on create new design. So once you come over here, you want to then scroll to where it says upload image, and here you want to upload the image. So once you add the image like this, you want to scroll to where it says elements, and here you want to search for arrows. All right, so we are going to take this arrow here as an example. So I'm going to use this arrow, and here you want to go back to where it says text. So once you do that, you want to change this text to white, or you can change it to maybe a red, so that it stands out, and you want to type in your URL right here. Okay, so once you type in your landing page URL like this, all you need to do is to drag it to the bottom. So once everything is done, very simple like this, all you need to do is to download this image. So once you download the image, you want to then answer this question. Okay, so once you click on answer, all you need to do is to come over here like this, and you want to upload the image. So once you upload the image, then you want to go to the top of the text like this. As you can see right here, answer is in the image. You can even go as far as even highlighting this, and you want to directly paste your landing page link right here if you want to do that. So once everything looks good, all you just need to do is to click on post. So once you do that, as you can see right here, my answer got posted without having any issue right here. As you can see, this is the question right here, and this is my answer. Just like I showed you, these answers with images are getting a lot of views, more than answers that don't have images in them. You can see this answer without an image got only 229 views. You can see this other one right here, 500 views, but this one with just an image, over 3,000 views. So this is all you need to do right here. This is a very simple strategy. Any beginner can get started with it to make money with CPA marketing. So you want to repeat this same strategy by answering all of these questions right here. So now if you are running out of ideas of questions to use, all you just need to do is to come over to where it says related questions. As you can see, these are the related questions to this one right here. And all you need to do is to copy this question, and you want to paste the question in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to provide you the answer. And all you need to do is to grab a related image from freepik.com, and you want to add your landing page link. All right, so if you do this, you're going to get a lot of traffic from Quora, and you will be making money in passive income, as that answer is going to stay up forever. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.